Mertz, and with warm weather finally upon us, a lot of you are probably ready to get your garden together. Well, we want you to have the best plants possible, so today we're going to go over a few tips and tricks for gardening. First, you'll need some Epsom salt. Whenever you're transplanting to your garden, go ahead and put a tablespoon of Epsom salt in the bottom of the hole you dug for your plant, and then cover it with a little bit of dirt before planting. This will help them take to their new home better. Another product you can put in the bottom of a plant hole is baking soda, and a lot of people swear by it. They say if you add a small amount of baking soda to the bottom of the plant, that your tomatoes will be sweeter. What's the harm in trying that, right? Next, quit throwing away those coffee grounds. If you are anything like me, you don't know how to love people without that cup of coffee. But what you may not have known about these used coffee grounds is you can actually keep pests away from your plants. This will work for ants, snails, and slugs. If you have issues with larger pests like squirrels, rabbits, deer, well, you can make an excellent stew with any of those. However, if you are not a hunter, grab some of those plastic forks and put them in your garden. This will help deter some of the larger pests. It may even work on children, depending on how smart they are. Next, if you did get the plants in the ground before the bad weather was over, then a simple way to protect them in the frost is to use the top of a gallon jug cut in half. This is a great option and can be super cheap if you save your milk jugs. And last, if you planted a beautiful garden but forgot to grab a watering can, don't stress. Grab anything from a 2-liter bottle to a jug of milk and poke some holes in the lid. You'll get the feel goods from recycling and your plants will get water. It's a win-win. Do you have any tips or tricks for gardening? Let us know in the comments below. Then make sure you check out all the new episodes of Red Hot Building every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the garden, I'm Amanda Mertz.